Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to read wiring diagrams. First thing you want to know about reading a wiring diagram is you want to know the different symbols that are going to be actually on the diagram. There's different symbols for different things, and a good diagram will always give you symbols. It'll give you a page where it has all the symbols listed and what they mean, and it'll tell you exactly what they are. So when you're actually looking at the diagram, you know, because a lot of times you'll see a bunch of little squares and boxes, and they're a little bit different, but they may look the same, but they're actually totally different things. So it's always good to have a good diagram with something with the symbols on it, so you can get a familiarity about what you're looking at and what each function is. Okay. Once you've determined what the symbols are and what each thing means, then it's as simple as actually going back and looking at your diagram. There's going to be a wire color chart, and it's going to give you a breakdown of the different color wires, and it's going to give you an abbreviation of that color wire. You may think that black and blue, maybe it's BL, and you may think it's the same, but it's not. You actually, the symbol for black is going to be BLK, and the symbol for blue is going to be BLU. So there is a little bit of a difference. So you always want to make sure that you look at your wire color chart and determine what symbol or what abbreviation they have for the different color wires. Okay, once you've determined that, then it's just a matter of going in and looking at the different components and the different wires, where they run, if there's a ground, if it's coming from a hot source. It's going to tell you on the diagram basically if the circuit is hot or if it's neutral, or if it's hot in a run position. There's a lot of things to factor in when you're reading a wiring diagram, but basically what most do-it-yourselfers want to read a wiring diagram for is basically just to see what each individual wire, what it goes to, and it's for testing components or testing switches or whatever else. But basically that's how you read a wiring diagram. Just make sure that you know the symbols on the wiring diagram, know the components that you're trying to test or whatever wires are running from here to there, and which ones are your grounds and which one are your hot wires.